Okay, section 4.3 is on automobile insurance. We have a lot of definitions for this one. Liable. This definition is responsible. Negligent means at fault. Liability insurance, this is set by each state. This is the minimum amount required. This insurance protects you for damage you are responsible for. Bodily injury insurance, or BI, this covers medical expenses or anybody's injury in the accident. Property damage, PD, this pays for damage you cause to other people's property. Uninsured and underinsured motorist protection, UMP, this pays for injuries to you or your passengers for an accident with drivers without or not enough insurance. Personal injury protection, or PIP, this pays for any physical injuries for you or your passengers while in the vehicle, even if you're not at fault. Comprehensive insurance, this covers repair or replacement parts for your car for acts of God disasters, such as a fire, a flood, if a tree falls on your car, things like that. Collision insurance, this is repair or replacement of your car if it's damaged in a collision, and this is required in your auto loan. Car rental insurance, this pays for a rental car if your car is in an accident. Emergency roadside service, this pays for towing and roadside assistance when your car is disabled. Deductible, this is the amount the policyholder must pay before your insurance kicks in and pays the rest. We have a 3-number system. Okay, the first number is the maximum paid per person. The second number is the maximum amount paid per accident. And the third number is property damage paid. So if you need to pause or rewind for definitions, please do so. Question 1, Rachel has $25,000 worth of property damage insurance. She causes $32,000 worth of damage to a sports car in an accident. How much of the damage will the insurance company have to pay? $25,000 would be your answer. Okay, how much would Rachel have to pay? $32,000. The total cost minus what the insurance company pays, $25,000, gives you $7,000 that Rachel would have to pay. Gloria pays her insurance 3 times each year. The first payment is 40% of the annual premium, and each of the next 2 payments is 30% of the annual premium. If the annual premium is $924, find the amount of the 3 payments. Well, for your first payment, that's 40%, so the total is $924. Times 0.4 or 40% gives you a first payment of $369.60. The second and third payments are 30% each, so $924 times 0.3 or 30% gives you $277.20 each. If you take $369.60 plus $277.20 plus another $277.20, it'll add up to $924. Question 3. Gary Lieberman has $10,000 worth of property damage insurance. He collides with 2 parked cars and causes $12,000 worth of damage. How much money must Gary pay after the insurance company pays its share? Well, he's only covered for $10,000 worth of damage. He caused $12,000 worth of damage, so $12,000 minus $10,000 gives you $2,000. Question 4. Leslie has comprehensive insurance with a $500 deductible on her van. On Halloween, her van is vandalized, and the damages is total of $1,766. Leslie submits a claim to her insurance company. How much must Leslie pay for her repair? Well, the deductible is the only amount that she pays, so Leslie only pays $500. How much will the insurance company pay? $1,766 minus $500, her deductible. The insurance company pays the rest, $1,266. Question 5. Molly has $100, $350 liability insurance and $50,000 in PIP insurance, personal injury protection. She drives through a stop sign and hits a telephone pole and bounces into a minivan with 8 people inside. Some are seriously hurt and sue her. Others have minor injuries. 3 passengers in Molly's car are also hurt. The pole will cost $7,000 to replace. Molly also did $6,700 worth of damage to the minivan. What insurance will cover this, and how much will the company pay? Well, the pole would be property damage. okay, and property damage to the car, the other car as well, okay, the minivan. So property damage is your coverage, so $7,000 plus $6,700 gives you $13,700 worth of property damage. Part B, the minivan's driver was a concert violinist. The injury to his hand means he can never work again. He sues for $4 million and is awarded that money in court. What type of insurance covers this, and how much will the insurance company pay? This is bodily injury, all right? The hand is part of your body, obviously, so bodily injury. The insurance company will pay $100,000, all right? And that is because the number right up here, the 100 in your 3-number system, pays that damage. Okay. Part C, the minivan's driver from Part B has medical bills that total $60,000 from the hospital trip and physical therapy after the accident. What type of insurance covers this, and how much will the insurance company pay? All right, this is personal injury protection, okay, for the hospital trip and physical therapy, okay, and they will pay up to $50,000. That is your 3rd number in the 3-number system up here at the top. Okay. And question D. The 3 passengers in Molly car are hurt and each requires $12,000 worth of medical attention. What insurance covers this, and how much will the company pay? This is personal injury protection again. Okay. Each person gets $12,000 times 3 people total, up to $36,000. Okay. And that is it for section 4.3.